So just with the last few minutes here, Jill, can you, do you want to still do it? And if so, can you make it a quick one?
Yeah, it will be a quick one because I don't have much to show, but there is something new from the last time I spoke about it, so I can show that.
Please.
Which is very interesting. Okay, I share my screen.
Sure, yeah, go ahead.
The idea was building an NFT store, basically, but an NFT store which was not meant only for art lovers and artists or creators, as you like to call them, but for investors. Investors who want to invest both in art and in the near ecosystem. And I took my inspiration, let's call it like that, from this website that I saw a couple of months ago, and built by a young woman, a very smart young woman. And she selected the artist and she auctioned the NFTs. And after the auction, every buyer had the chance to stake the NFT. The staking is over now and the auctions are over, but you can find the link for staking here. And it would, I thought of something very similar to this, with declaring the annual earning, the percentage of earning for each stake, and giving the chance to each NFT buyer to basically stake its own NFT after buying it. And what I have done is I took this the NFT contract built with Rust from the near repo, which is very interesting. I've been studying it a bit, and I could understand the standard that is possible to use for NFTs on Near, and the fact that the contract is built in Rust means that I have to understand the Rust, not only assembly. But I was able actually to run the tests. Okay, we won't see the test, but at least I've deployed the contract and run the test. Anyways, what I have found after the last meeting we had yesterday is this meta pool. I found it thanks to this video, which is on the other tab. So, okay, it's not okay. Thanks to this video, which is a live contract review suggested by Sheriff. He told us watch the live contract reviews, and I was watching them basically all together, okay, without taking too much care. But this is interesting because I was thinking that to finish my project, I had to integrate merge the wallet, the Near wallet, into the NFT store interface, letting people stake what they spent on NFTs. And this is a new implementation of second generation wallet to Near, and it's quite interesting for several reasons. The main reason why it got interesting for me, it has a wide variety of options for staking that are very different, the one from the others. So you can choose how to stake your money, and in my case, I would let people choose how to stake their NFTs. But the best thing that I found here is this. Let me see, meta minting with rewards. Can you see that? So basically, it's a kind of, this wallet is built for minting tokens, for minting fungible tokens. But if I can implement this on minting non-fungible tokens, I can not only incentivize, give incentives to investors to stake the NFTs that they buy, but also give incentives to the artists while minting the NFT. And the idea is when an artist mints the NFT, he's not sure to sell it. He mints the NFT with rewards and wait for an investor to come. If the artist wants to have rewards from the minting, he has to also enable staking on his NFT, on his non-fungible token minted, and the investor has the option to stake it. Okay, so each artist can choose if he wants to the investor to be able to stake on NEAR. The point is that this kind of incentive mechanism helps both the artist and the investor to invest and to work towards the mint ecosystem. And so the idea was to build something that was meant for enabling the NEAR ecosystem.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much. So any questions? We're just at time. So any questions? I want to make sure that we respect people's schedule here. We're a couple of minutes over the scheduled first hour. So any questions or comments about this presentation?